So we have this very interesting algebra question. Let's see how we can solve this. We are given a plus 1 is equals to b plus 2, which is equals to c plus 3, and c plus 3 is equals to d plus 4, whereas d plus 4 is equals to a plus b plus c plus d plus 5. Since all are equal to each other, we can assume a single variable for all of them. Let's see what I'm saying. I'm saying that we can write a plus 1 as k, b plus 2 also as k. Why? Because they both are same. They both are equal. Similarly, we can write c plus 3 equals to k. Similarly, we can write d plus 4 equals to k because all are equal to each other. Yes. Similarly, we can write a plus b plus c plus d plus 5 is equals to k because this is also equal to each other. Correct. Now, we can add these four equations. If we add these four equations, we will get a plus b plus c plus d plus 10 is equals to 4k. Correct. Now, instead of a plus b plus c plus d, we can write something else. See, here we have this equation. Correct. Now, instead of a plus b plus c plus d, we can write k minus 5. Correct. So let's replace this with k minus 5. So we have k minus 5 plus 10 is equals to 4k. If we solve this, we will get 3k is equals to 5, or we can say k is equals to 5 by 3. But this is not a final answer. We need to find the value of a plus b plus c plus d. So let's come back here. A plus b plus c plus d is equals to k minus 5. Correct. Instead of k, I am writing 5 by 3 minus 5. If we solve this, we will get negative 10 by 3. We will get negative 10 by 3. So this is the value of a plus b plus c plus d. This is our final answer.